Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working Windows 11. To start, open Settings from the Start menu. There, in the Privacy and Security section, you will click on the camera option. You will confirm that the switch camera access is enabled, and by the way, check that the applications, you may see Teams, have their switch active. After that, right-click on Start to open the Task Manager. Here, you must go to the section Startup Apps. You must validate that Microsoft Teams is enabled. If not, select it and click Enable. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.